In this video, we're going to cover point-slope form. The aims are: find the equation of the straight line given the slope and a point, find the equation of the straight line that passes through points, and task to check your understanding. At the end of this video, I would like to check your understanding, so I prepared a task for you. Comment below your answers and questions, and you will see this task again at the end of this video. To find the equation of the straight line given the slope and a point, we're going to use the point-slope form, that is y minus y sub 1 equal m multiplied by x minus x sub 1, wherein the y sub 1 and x sub 1 is the point, and m is the slope or the gradient. Here has a gradient of 4 and passes through the point 1, 10. The gradient or the slope is equal to 4, and the point is 1, 10, wherein the 1 is the x sub 1 and the 10 is the y sub 1. Now we're going to substitute it in the point-slope form. That will turn into y minus y sub 1 is 10 equal, the slope is 4, x minus x sub 1 is 1. Then let's copy the left side of the equation, y minus 10 equal, then distribute the 4, so 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Afterwards, add the 10 on both sides of the equation. So here we can bring down the y. Negative 10 minus 10 is 0, equal, put down the 4x, and negative 4 plus 10 is plus 6. So here is the equation of the line, y equal to 4x plus 6. To find the equation of the line that has a gradient of 2 and passes through the point negative 3, 3, the value of your slope is equal to 2, and the x sub 1 is negative 3, and the y sub 1 is positive 3. Now let's substitute it in the point-slope form. That will be y minus y sub 1 is 3 equal, slope is 2 times x minus negative 3. Since we have minus, this will turn into plus 3. Next, let's copy the left side of the equation, y minus 3 equal, distribute the 2. That will turn into 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is plus 6. Then add 3 on both sides of the equation. So here we can bring down the y. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0, equal, put down 2x, then 6 plus 3 is 9, or plus 9. So the equation of the line is y is equal to 2x plus 9. To find the equation of the straight line that passes through the points, we have to find the value of slope. Using the slope formula, m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. After determining the value of slope, then we can use the point-slope form to find the equation. Here are the 2 points, 0, 3 and 4, 19. Where in the 0, that will be x sub 1, and the 3 will be y sub 1. For the second point, 4 is the x sub 2, and 19 is the y sub 2. Now let's find the slope. So m is equal to y sub 2 is 19 minus y sub 1 is 3 over x sub 2 is 4 minus x sub 1 is 0. Let's solve. 19 minus 3 is 16 over 4. So slope now is 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now we have the value of slope, that is 4. We can use any one of these points. Let's use 0 and 3. Now let's use these point slope form to find the equation. Y minus y sub 1 is 3 equal, the slope is 4 times x minus x sub 1 is 0. Now let's copy the left side of the equation. Y minus 3 equal, then distribute the 4. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 0 is 0. Then plus 3 on both sides of the equation. So bring down the y. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Equal, bring down 4x, then plus 3. So here's the equation of the line. Y equal 4x plus 3. Next example, to find the equation of the straight line that passes through the points. The first point is negative 2, 3, wherein the negative 2 will be x sub 1, and the 3 is the y sub 1. And the next point is negative 5, negative 3. The negative 5 is the x sub 2, and negative 3 is the y sub 2. Now we can solve for the value of the slope. So m is equal to y sub 2 is negative 3 minus y sub 1 is 3 all over x sub 2 is negative 5 minus x sub 1 is negative 2. So negative times negative, this will turn into plus 2. Now let's solve. M is equal to negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6 over negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So the value of slope is negative divided by negative is positive, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the value of slope is positive 2. Now we're going to use the point slope form to find the equation, and we can use the first point. Now let's substitute. Y minus y sub 1 is 3 equal, slope is 2 multiplied by x minus x sub 1 is negative 2. So negative times negative, this will be plus 2. Now let's copy the left side of the equation. Y minus 3 equal, then distribute the 2. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 2 is plus 4. Then add 3 on both sides of the equation. So bring down y. Negative 3 minus 3 is 0 equal, bring down 2x. Then 4 plus 3 is plus 7. So here's the equation of the line. Y is equal to 2x plus 7. It's now time to check your understanding. Pause the video and comment below your answers or questions about point slope form. And always remember, math is more than a procedure. It's a powerful habit of thinking.